Hi, good morning. It's Dawn here at Stickletown, and it's 7:30 in the morning, Sunday. I'm back from my trip away. I got back Friday night. It's now Sunday morning. Yesterday I was absolutely shattered. It took nearly 7 hours to get home. Sorry, I'm just weighing out some ingredients here. The traffic was horrendous. What more can I say? Just horrendous. Yeah, so yesterday I was just very tired. Didn't get much done at all, but we were having a quick change round yesterday. 10 o'clock yesterday morning, Martin was leaving for the week. He's off on a big scaffolding job, and our grandson Connor is with him. Let me just turn your hand and you can see a bit of what I'm doing. So I've got all 4 dogs. I've got a little dog again for the week. They won't be home until either Friday night, Saturday morning, so I've got a whole week to myself. And yeah, so it was a quick change round. Didn't really see much of him because when I got home I was tired. I was fairly early into bed, and I haven't got enough of that ingredient. Hold on. Yeah, so I didn't really see much of Martin at all before he left. Come on, a bit more. I'm just making up a keto loaf for myself for the week. So I'm just getting it mixed up. The ingredients are right out the bag. Yes, I'm just getting it mixed up, then I can leave it to rise while I go out and do the animals. The weather outside at the moment doesn't look too bad. I'm not tempting fate. What else do I need? Sweetener. Yeah, so I've got quite a lot planned for this week. Jobs I want to get done around the place. I should have my little helper in to give me a hand. I want to get him sort of logging really. We need to get more of the logs done out of the way. So I think while the weather's good, me and him will get another ash tree down, get it logged up. I'm quite happy to use the splitter. I don't have a problem with that. I'm trying to grab a cup of tea while I'm at it as well. A bit of multitasking this morning. Dogs have all been fed. We've had a good night's sleep. So I just want to get this bread mixed up and then it can sit and rise and do its thing. So let's add some melted butter. So in here I have got vital wheat gluten, I have got oat fibre, milled flaxseed, beaten eggs, some yeast, water and honey, a bit of sweetener. I haven't put the eggs in yet. Slightly beaten eggs. Nice golden colour. From our chickens. These are the youngsters, the pointed rays, they just started laying. Just check I've got everything on my list there. Yeah, everything is in. Oh. I'm going to change to the dough hook, get it all kneaded up. And that'll be that done. Out of the way. Yeah, so I've got quite a lot of things planned for this week. I've been checking the weather forecast, and the weather doesn't look too bad at all this week actually. Sun's just coming up over the back there. So with the weather not looking too bad, I've got a lot of planned outside. I want to get the rest of the landscape fabric down. One of the jobs we're going to be doing today is bringing Elvis the goat up to the girls, because they've been in season quite a few times now and they keep yelling. So we're all prepared for that, and we're hoping to move Elvis up today. Moving out Helen and Little Titch, because I don't want Little Titch getting caught just yet in kid. Yes, we'll get all that done. Then I'm going to set him, my helper, logging, and I'm going to work. I've got one of them big metal raised beds that arrived miles away, so I'm going to get that put together, and yeah, just basically fingers crossed we'll get it all done. So I'll catch up with you later. I'm just going to finish off this bread and get out there and get all the animals fed out of the way. Okay, so let me show you this tip a farmer showed me, how to tell when it's time to move the livestock off the field to somewhere else to graze. Okay, let's go over here. It all looks nice and green. You think, yep, plenty there for them to eat. Put your fingers like that and go down onto the grass, and what you can get between your fingers, that's how much there is for them to eat. So this bit of ground, there's next to nothing. So let's go on to a better bit. Right, this bit here at the edge, put our fingers down, press it in, and we've got that much there to eat. Very good tip for somebody who's keeping livestock for the first time and they're never sure when it's time to move them on for grazing. So because of that, I looked at the alpaca field this morning. The alpacas are over there. I'm up in the buffalo fields at the moment. And because of that, I know the alpacas have got next to nothing to eat in their field, so I'm going to be taking them up hay. Okay, another tip. When you haven't got a knife on you to open a bale of hay, let me try and set the camera up so you can see this. Hold on. Okay, I don't know how well this is going to show on camera, but you slip a bit of baling twine under the baling twine that's there, and you basically do a sawing action and that's it. Sorry you didn't see that very well, but it cuts through. You want baling twine the same thickness as the baling twine you're cutting. Alright, let's get this up to the alpacas now. I've got little dog here helping me. I think he's mousing, that's what he's doing. So, aren't you little dog? Hey Brooke, don't you break that bale, because I want it to go in a bag. So I've got some hay, which means I can stay in at the lane for a bit. This morning when I was bringing up their hard feed and I looked them over, I haven't seen them for... Oh, let me turn the camera around a minute. Right, I haven't seen the alpacas for since, let me see, today's Sunday, didn't see them yesterday, I was away Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, so since Tuesday last week. And to me, they look like they're just starting to drop condition. There's another one, Cara, she's hanging around behind me. I think she's a bit camera shy. But as you can see, they're definitely hungry, they're tucking straight into that. So it's time to start feeding them hay as well as their other feed, and I will also start giving them sugar beet with their morning hard food as well. Okay, Peckers. Yeah. Good, Peckers. Right, everybody's fed, watered, hayed, so I'm just doing myself some breakfast before I go out there and start the next round. So I'm just having a bit of scrambled egg on toast, and then that will, I can have that, and then I need to get out there and start the other chores. Right, while I was eating breakfast and the last two slices from my keto loaf, I popped this one in the oven and it's just been done. So that's that one ready. It can cool down and it'll all be sliced up, and I'll put it in the freezer and just take it out as I need it. Go on the move. Get going. Go through the gate, Elvis. And it's the end of the day and the fire's lit and the dogs are all settled down. Nice and quiet. And I've just finished cooking my dinner. I have got paprika chicken on a bed of sprouts and bacon, which have been done in a balsamic vinegar with some sprouted seeds. So that is the end of my Sunday.